Knife safety for kids, part 3. When you're cutting a round vegetable, the trick is that it rock and rolls like this. So take your knife, make a claw, and cut a small sliver off. This will create a flat surface to sit on your cutting board so that you can securely cut your vegetables or fruit. Okay, now if you're having a harder vegetable like a carrot, you can do the same thing. It is a little bit harder to get a larger sliver, so you can use a trusty vegetable peeler to shave off some slivers to create a larger flat surface to sit and cut. You can do the same thing with a cucumber, or you can use your knife because it's a little bit softer than a carrot. So either way, just make sure, my friends, keep an eye on your fingers. Don't get distracted. That is most important.